a 5/8 foul, first time for them on that big track. And this will be the first time back here on the 3/8, and of course on the newly reconditioned 3/8. If you look over in turn 2 and down the backstretch into turn 3, the track was ground down. A lot of the bumps have disappeared. The track has gotten fast. As a matter of fact, we have a brand new track record tonight set in the truck division. Well, we just got an update from the weather service. That's why we're holding up here. They were on the phone and getting the last update. They feel that the weather is starting to dissipate around the Puget Sound area. So we're going to go ahead and do our heat races first. So that has just changed in the last 5 minutes. So I apologize for this information. All right, this will be an 8-lap heat race for the truck. We'll start up on the pole. Ladies and number 53 of Justin Wilson. Also out there on the Spokane, the number 23 of Hannah Moore. Then the number 6 Rick John Carl. Then we go to row number 2. That'll be the 7 out of Snohomish, Matt Green. In the 11 truck, that is Mike Nelson. The 85, who had some problems and earlier qualified, hit one of the U tires on the backstretch that protects the new motocross track that's just been put in the last 3 or 4 weeks, and that's the 85 of Mike Gibson. It looks like the truck is going to be okay. And no, that is not Moles, Industrious Moles out here at Evergreen Speedway. You can see that a motocross track has been put in between the 5/8 and the 3/8. That is a national style of motocross track. And in the 2012 season, major motocross events are scheduled. And the track that's in between the 3/8 and the 5th mile, that is a junior motocross track. So again, the Evergreen Speedway expanding all the time. All right, Doug Wilkinson will set the pace here for this 8-lap heat race of the Northwest Road 4 Truck Series. Points available on the outside, we'll have the lane 3 wide out of turn 2 as the 8 truck stays on through John Carl. And here comes the 11 truck Mike Nelson, and they move up the middle first and second spots respectively. But Charles on Speedway turn 4. So John Charles has the lead momentarily, but could not Normally drives the 2 trucks, but is taking over the 33 tonight. Next on the grid in the 88 truck, he is second in the point standings coming in out of Ephrata, Scott Walter. On the outside, you'll see her 3 times tonight. You'll see her in the trucks, you'll see her in her mini stock, and she'll make her debut in the late model. Out of Seattle, the 16-year-old 92 Holly Company. On to the back row. Out of Everett in the number 58, former champion of the series, Terry Warren. And your current points leader and looking for the championship tonight, out of Yelm, the 55, a brand new track record, Jerry Buell. Here we go, green flag is awaiting and we are battle for second with Walters on the inside and Milligan on the outside. With Holly Helmet back in that 4th spot looking for some racing room. Almost a little contact with Walters the 88 and the 6 Eric Green looks in the rear view mirror if he has time and he sees them moved up, but now here comes the 33 of Milligan on the outside. He's going to make a stab at it. Continuing on, the 33 of Milligan came off of that 3 wide a little bit quick, and Walter Milligan on the brakes has hit the 6 of Green. Now they're 3 wide again from 3 and 4 for a second, 3rd and 4th. 3 wide going to number 1. Northwest broke 4th back to the left, and here comes your point leader. He moves up the 3rd. Outside fights with Terry Warren for the 4th position. Here comes Milligan. Jerry Buell on a turn 2 will move the 2nd spot. And quickly looks up to the outside, now falls back in line as Milligan leads his group across the line with the 3 line. John Walter, Terry Warren, Bobby Helen, and Aaron Blue, and he may have a little bit before this lap is over with. As Milligan on the inside, Green, the 51. Your points leader, Jerry Buell, on track to go back straight. Leading up for the last time to go, there's no here, and starts to pull on his Milligan. And Scott Walters is going to try to do the same thing. Watch coming up Walters. He didn't see the Terry Warren. They have a tiger going down there. Number 15 truck. Here's the battle for second, side by side. It's going to be Jerry Buell with the and then the 58 of Terry Warren, the 92 of Helmet, and the 6 of Green. Wow, they'll be back out a little bit later for their 5th lap main event. On a stall is number 85, Mike Tips. The 10 Green Book season, currently 3rd in the rookie points. In the Keyes transmission, Quiet Squires machine, security machine, JN, Helmet, CPA, Nova Star Development, Phosphorus Sports and Transport Services, B&D Sheet Metal, Pin Trim, Cincy, the 16-year-old out of Seattle, the number 92, Molly Helmet. Currently 2nd in the point standings. The Budweiser, Max Lures, Envision Tech, Pioneer Performance, your playoff. 2011 champion. Green flag. Aaron Briggs takes on turn 2 to your leader. Referee Briggs. Indiana Scott Walker is in there now. He'll make it 2 by 2 for that second spot as they head off to turn number 4 here with one down. the 55 of Jerry Buell, the 11 of Mike Nelson. Here we go, green. Got the jump on the start. Get underneath Nelson. But Nelson's going to try to come back and take that spot away.